Hi everyone, I'm going to be talking to you today about the state's new web dealer program that rolled out in the state of Texas last year. This new program is going to cut the time that the car dealers are waiting for their license plates and registration stickers for their customers in half, if not by more. It's also going to cut the workload for the county tax clerks, which is going to allow them to better help the customers that are in front of them in a more timely manner. The web dealer program begins in the county tax office. The county tax office is responsible for identifying the car dealerships in their county that qualify for this program, and it would be good candidates to use this system. Once they have done that, they're going to get the dealers set up in the program to be able to use it. They actually have to set the dealers up to be able to use the program themselves. Once you have done that, you've gotten the dealer set up, then you're going to want to probably schedule a training class for both the employees in the car dealership who are going to be using the program, as well as the tax clerks that are going to be using the program as well. And I think it's a good idea to do this together so that both the clerks in the dealership and the clerks in the county tax office learn how to use the system together and learn how to work as a team to get the transactions processed. Once the county feels like everybody using the system, both the car dealerships and the county tax clerks, once they feel like they understand this program pretty well and they are pretty confident in the way that they're going to be able to use it, then they can go ahead and get rolling. On the dealer side, the title clerks are now going to be responsible for both the data entry as well as the record retention. The clerks are going to scan all of the documents in the transaction into the computer, and then they're going to fill out all of the information that the tax clerks used to do. Once they have all the data in the system and they have the transaction documents submitted, they're going to submit it to the county tax office. On the tax office side, we're going to get that transaction and we're going to open it up and just basically check to make sure everything is in order. You're going to want to check the buyer information, the vehicle information, the sales price and trade-in information. You're going to want to make sure that all the documents for the transaction have been filled out properly. It's going to need to be filled out the same way it was before. We just need to check and make sure everything is in order. Once the clerk has checked and made sure everything looks like it's in order, everything looks like it's good, they're going to either approve it or return the transaction. If they return it, they're going to send it back to the car dealership, and the car dealership is going to have their clerks correct any information that was entered incorrectly. It's a pretty simple process, and then they'll just resubmit that. If the clerk in the county's office looks at it and determines that it's good to go, they're going to approve the transaction. And at this time, they're also going to issue the license plates and the registration sticker. This is going to cut the time that the county tax office is spending working the car dealership's paperwork by a great deal. We're going to be able to focus more now on our customers who are coming in to our office, into our lobby, and help them in a more time-efficient manner. And it's going to just free up a lot of time to get stuff done in our office. I feel like it's going to be a pretty good program both for the car dealerships and for the county tax office. Thank you.